Hello, friend. Let's talk about something that happens to absolutely everyone who tries to read the Bible. You start out strong, and then you hit a passage that makes no sense. Or life gets busy, and you miss a day, then another, and that little voice of guilt starts whispering that you failed. First, let's be clear. Confusion is not failure. It's part of the process. When you don't understand something, it's simply an invitation to slow down. Reread the verse. You don't need a seminary degree to ask simple questions. Just ask, who is talking here? What is happening in this story? What does this tell me about God's character? And you know what? It is completely okay to say, I don't get this right now, and move on. You can always come back. There is no guilt in that. Now, about those missed days, they do not erase your progress. Your journey with God isn't a fragile chain that breaks the first time you miss a link. It's a path. If you stumble, you're still on the path. The temptation is to give up or to feel like you have to go all the way back to the beginning. Please don't. Just open your Bible to where you left off. Read one sentence. That's it. That is a beautiful, powerful step forward. Remember, this is not about perfection. It is about persistence. Your faith grows in the small, honest moments of returning. God isn't waiting for you to have it all figured out. He is waiting to meet you right here, right now, in this small step you're taking.